Have you guys ever wondered how can one product be better known than online than another? In this video, we will talk about successful strategies of one of the skincare products that is very popular among Gen Z, which is Scarlet Beauty. So let's get deeper into it. Happy watching! First of all, we will talk about brand communication. So, brand communication is the planned effort a company uses to shape how people perceive its identity. This process works three main components. The first one is messages, visuals, and interactions. Messages help explain what the brand stands for, what it offers, and why it matters. Visuals strengthen recognition by giving the brand a consistent look and feel, making it easier to audiences to remember. And lastly, interactions create two-way engagement, allowing the audience to respond, ask questions, and feel involved in the brand's presence. So, according to Skivinsky and Dabrowski 2016, effective brand communication comes from combining two types of content. The first one is company generated content and the second one is user generated content. Company created content sets the tone and direction, while content from users adds authenticity and social proof. When both are present, they work together to build trust, credibility, and emotional connection. Jyoti et al. 2011 highlight that social networking platforms make this entire process more powerful. Social media allows communication to feel personal and interactive instead of one-sided. People can react instantly, join discussions, and co-create meaning with the brand. This real-time engagement helps the brand feel more approachable and alive, strengthening how audiences connect with it. So, next slide shows how companies build identity on social media. Companies shape their brand identity on social media by keeping their visual consistent, telling stories that reflect their values, and staying active in conversation with their audiences. A steady stream of posts, replies, and updates helps people recognize the brand's personality and feel more connected into it. Fast responses and real-time interactions also make the brand feel more approachable and human. Another key part is encouraging users to participate, whether through comments, challenges, reviews, or sharing their own content. When audiences get involved, the brand becomes a part of community rather than just a business account. According to Vorval 2019, this strong and continuous presence increases brand intimacy and visibility, helping the brand stay memorable and relevant in the fast-moving social media environment. So we will use Scarlet marketing strategy as our study case.
So, now we will talk about Scarlet online sales as our study case. Looking at this data, we can see that Scarlet has great rise on online sales. Scarlet, produced by PT Moto Beringin Abadi, offers an interesting example of modern brand communication. Between August and October 2024, sales increased from IDR 5.5 billion on August to IDR 6.98 billion on September and IDR 7.2 billion on October. The 24% rise in September and 6% rise in October suggests that the growth was driven by more than seasonal demand. TikTok's fast-paced visual ecosystem allows Scarlet to leverage trending audio, influencer, and short-form video to reinforce its image as a skincare brand close everyday user. Testimony video, before-after clips, and influencer reviews help create perception of authenticity, supporting Skivinsky and Grove's key argument that user-generated content boosts credibility. Scarlett also used live shopping campaigns, product bundles, and quick response in the comment section. This feature make audience feel like they are interacting directly with the brand. The brand's pastel visuals and feminine imagery and soft tone remains consistent across content, acting as the anchor of consumer perception. As the result of our discussion, the first point is that the Rupiah 1.7 billion sales increase over the 3 months did not appear out of nowhere. The 24% rise in September indicates the success of Scarlett's TikTok campaigns, particularly those driven by influencer and viral content. Scarlett frequently appeared on the For You page with visuals suited to TikTok culture, fast, relatable, and personal. This aligns with Jyoti et al. 2011, who argued the effective brand communication depends on how well a message adapts to the audience, culture, environment. The second point is that Scarlett builds brand identity through a combination of firm-generated and user-generated content. The brand communicates, but it also allows consumers to contribute to the narrative. The third point is that for fast-moving consumer goods like skincare, rapid content rhythm, and repetitive visual matters, Scarlett maintains strong presence on TikTok through daily video, influencer testimonial, and live season. This practice aligns with Fauvel 2080 idea of maintain consistent brand presence. The first point is that the August until October sales graph suggests that cohesive digital identity contribute to sales growth. The 24% rise in September represents the moment Scarlett's TikTok communicate gained viral momentum, while the 6% rise in October reflects stabilization after the peak campaign period. Through a combination of visual branding, storytelling, active engagement, and community-driven content, Scarlett successfully convert digital identity into economic impact. Last but not least, Theo will present the next slide, which is the conclusion.
So, to recap, I will deliver the conclusion of the entire materials. Brand communication is a relationship-based strategy. A brand shapes its identity through narrative, consistent visual, two-way interaction, and community involvement. On platforms such as TikTok, this identity grows through interactive content and consumer participation. The Scarlett case illustrates that strong digital identity contributes significantly to increase sales. The 1.7 billion over the 3 months aligns with digital campaigns that combine influencers, authentic content, live shopping, and consistent visuals. This practice reflects the theories of Jyoti et al. On how brand communication operates within digital social environments. In the future, dynamics like this will continue to influence how companies build relationship and identity in the fast-moving digital landscape. Thank you.
So I hope you guys can understand and get new insight about the brand communication from us. Okay, that's all enough from us.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.